In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix poor print quality and missing colors on the Epson L18050 by restoring proper ink flow to the printhead.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Poor print quality and missing colors are not always caused by clogged printhead nozzles. In many cases, the real problem is trapped air inside the ink system, which prevents ink from flowing properly to the printhead. When this happens, normal printhead cleaning may not be enough, and print quality can remain poor even after multiple cleaning cycles. First, turn off the printer and remove the maintenance box from the back of the printer. Next, you will need a syringe and a flexible tube. A standard 4-tube works well for this purpose, although any similar flexible tube can be used. You can use almost any syringe, but a 50 ml syringe is recommended because it provides stronger suction and makes the process easier. Open the ink tank vents so the air inside can escape easily. This helps the manual cleaning process work better. Now use the syringe to gently draw out about 5 ml of ink. This helps remove trapped air from the ink line and restores proper ink flow to the printhead. Now reinstall the maintenance box, then turn on the printer and wait until it is ready for use. After the printer is ready, perform one more cleaning cycle before starting printing. Do not start printing directly. This extra cleaning helps stabilize ink flow after the manual process. To do this, press and hold the cancel button for 5 seconds to start the printer's built-in cleaning cycle. The process will take about 3 to 5 minutes, and you should wait until it is fully completed. You can also learn how to perform manual cleaning easily by following this video carefully. First, turn off the printer. Then press and hold the cancel button and the power button together for about 5 to 10 seconds until the printer starts printing a nozzle check pattern. That is it for this video. By following these steps carefully, you can fix poor print quality and missing colors on your Epson L18050 using a simple manual cleaning method. This process helps restore proper ink flow, remove air from the ink system, and improve overall print quality without the need for any software or external tools. Make sure you follow each step correctly and allow every process to complete without interruption. Do not rush the cleaning cycle, as the printer needs a few minutes to properly stabilize the ink flow and clear any blockage inside the system. If the print quality is still not fully restored after one attempt, you can repeat the process once more to achieve better results.